All right. Look at this. I'm a big Carrot Top fan, so I needed to make sure that I brought a prop with me. So don't worry, I'm not going to throw it at you. My name is Dan Broersma. Let's see here. My name is Dan Broersma. I am the Sustainability Manager for the City of Holland. The City of Holland is located on the west part of Michigan, along the shores of Lake Michigan. Over the last 5 years, the City of Holland has made pretty significant changes in its recycling program. We went from a bag system recycling to a cart system recycling. We put carts out to our residents because we have a one hauler, and it's actually made out of the stuff that goes in the cart. We worked with Cascade Engineering. This past summer, we partnered with Prairie Robotics and AI to educate our residents on what can go into that bin so that we can significantly cut down our contamination. You can see some of the stats. Hopefully by the end of this, actually I should know some on our AI. Now, picture yourself in Holland, Michigan. Windmills, you're on Tulip Lane, it's May, and you see the tulips. You take a deep breath as you face the sun, and you smell something musty. Not quite what you were thinking about. And you turn around, and next to you, at a resident, there's an old mattress sitting up against the wall. But out in front, they have a recycling cart that's full. You know that resident wants to do the right thing. They're saving that mattress to do the right thing. How many of you have one of these in your basement or know of somebody that's, you saw how hard it was for me to bring up? So we found gaps. We worked with RRS to find more gaps. We have quite a few folks that don't have access to recycling, especially the small business community. And besides that, the City of Holland sits between two major counties, and they have a significant populations that need some sort of recycling for both easy to recycle and hard to recycle items. So our answer, or our dream, is a super drop-off center. This is a place where folks can bring their hard-to-recycle items and your easy-to-recycle items. This is open to all residents, not just the City of Holland, but we're participating in it. So as we were looking and dreaming about this, we said, well, to Carrie's point, we need to make sure people understand what goes into those things. So if you look at the top left corner, there's a classroom. So we want to bring area schools and have the community come in to learn about recycling. We know that we don't want to use taxpayer funds or ratepayer funds for this. So we worked very hard already with RRS to find a couple of different options to make this run cost neutral. That's through user fees, material fees, and sales from assets the city no longer needs. We figured out how much it's going to cost to build the center. Lucky for us, we've already secured a grant from Eagle and the Foam Recycling Coalition to buy a densifier for styrofoam to answer some of these questions. But we also know that it takes a community to do this. Carrie actually said this earlier. It takes public, private, It takes us all to do this. So we put together a team already, but what we want is we need you now. We want you to be a part of our community to help us in many different areas, from helping the finance part, from the matches and equipment that we still need for this place, to make this a place that even other cities will go to learn how to make one. And we need your expertise. We need brokers. We need, what I can't wait this afternoon is to hear all the ideas. We need your ideas for this setup. So thank you.